சார் இப்போ நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்கல்ல நார்மலி கார்கோஸ்லாம் வரும்போது உங்கள் கன்சைன்மெண்ட்டில் வந்து மினிமம் வேல்யூ இந்த வேல்யூ வர கன்சைன்மெண்ட் தான் எடுத்துக்குவீங்கன்னு இருக்கா இல்லை யூ வில் டேக் any source for that
matter? That is also one thing, because initially we had from Thuthukudi, out of this 70 years, the initial period when the new port was not established, way back in 1974 only the new port was established. அதுக்கு முன்னால எல்லாம் minor port, one small port was still functioning.
Okay.
So trade used to happen between Colombo and Thuthukudi in those days.
I see.
So right from those days we have had a lot of customers, that is exporters, moving their cargo through to us.
Yes, okay.
Small consignments.
Small consignments.
So even now we don't want to leave those customers. So we want to cater to them also. Even small parcels we undertake to.
Every single customer is the most valuable person in a life, you know, particularly in business. You should respect the customer, even for that matter, may it be a small or big customer, right? இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி கன்சைன்மெண்ட் எடுக்கும்போது you know normally there will be lot of impact from the political side or from the government side, I can say, not rather from the political side, I can say government side. So government rules and regulations keep on changing for time to time. So that time you know there will be lot of laws which can affect your business, of course, very much. So அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு வந்து அஃபெக்ட் ஆனது உண்டா business?
I wouldn't say it has affected us negatively and all, because it's how you take change.
That's correct.
So already we told we are 70 years business. Over the period of time we have been changing where change is actually required, but the principles and the main things we didn't change. That is the reliability and honesty and value for our business, value for our clients, and value for our employees. We have employees who are working here for more than 40 years.
I see.
From small boy.
My God.
We have about 20 people, and at least 3-4 people are working with us for more than 20 years.
More than 20 years, huh? But and it's like a family then.
Yeah, that's right. And so we have not changed on the values and principles.
Okay.
But we have changed where the rules and regulations have changed. Okay. Like before we used to type it, and the documents used to be typed, shipping bill or whatever it is, we typed.
Now
it's taken manually to the customs.
Okay.
Later on the e-filing and all were brought.
Came, yeah.
So now we do it through e-filing and all those things. So any changes.
So innovative methods has to be adopted. Yes. Obviously in every business to improve.
Business is like very fast now, because previously we used to have telexes and all. Type out the telex, punch out the telex, and then wait for results and all. Then the fax messages used to go. Now it's all email and online
the transactions and all.
So everything immediately, instantly we have to do everything.
Okay.
So all those changes we have accepted, and we are inculcating. We are having our own system of doing business in a very fast way also.
Very good, because change is the only permanent thing in life, you know. Even if, for that matter, if it is related to business also, you have to update yourself with the change according to the environment. If you're not
change, again, change for the sake of change, we don't change.
Okay.
We apply our mind where it is necessary.
When there is a need, you will change that. If for the as you said, for the sake of change, you don't change. Because normally, you know, if you are not innovative and if you are not updated in the market, rest of the competitors will overtake you. So for that you have to improvise your skill sets. So that's the main factor in business, right? Sir, what like you said you have employees who had been working here for the past 20 years. So what kind of benefits or facilities you provide to your employees?
See, apart from the
because 20 years means it's quite a long period as like a government employment, you know.
That's right.
That's it.
See, basically people in any organization, they are not looking only at the salaries.
Okay.
They are looking at self-respect.
That's correct.
Anywhere they work, they should be respected as a human being, first of all.
Correct.
That we do. We are a family, okay. When a person comes into our office as an employee, he becomes one of our family. And any urgent requirement for him, anything for that matter, for a child's education or a medical for his parents or anything we are ready to help. Apart from the salary, anything we are ready to help. And the human touch is always there. They feel free to come even and talk to the management about any personal problems they have. Because that's the most important thing.
Okay.
When they are happy at home, they are happy at their mind is at peace and they can perform well.
That shows a very good business mind of yours, you know. Even that, you see, you are making the things clear where it should be. which is in return you will get good output in the business also, because only when people are happy they feel happy to work.
That's
Right? Okay, sir, as you said, like in Money Factor you are helping your employees, you are taking them as your family members and all those things. Have you ever been to any of your employees' house to celebrate any kind of festive season or any kind of festival like that?
Usually we invite them to our house for the...
Normally that happens everywhere.
Normally, not for any festivals, we have not gone there.
Okay.
But for any occasion like
Special
child's
occasion
birthday,
matter.
where they have invited us, or when employee has given birth to a child or something, we go to the hospital, we go to the house.
Okay.
Or any unfortunate incident like a death of a family member, we are the first people go there to
Yes.
their house, console them, give them whatever courage that they require, and monetary support also.
I understand.
All those
So normally, some people, they feel like, oh no, I'm the proprietor of the concern. I don't go to my employees. Also, it is indignified and all those things, because that is not the way to handle people. You should be human enough to understand everyone's feeling. So tell me, sir, like as you said, do you have any kind of PF
Yes.
structure here?
Yes, all those.
So all those things are there.
Yeah, all the government mandatory things are there, but we go further and do more what is necessary for the...
Very
because
good.
there is ESA,
That's
state
correct.
insurance and all.
Okay.
But we feel the ESA hospitals are not good enough for our employees.
Employees.
When you see that it's not good for us, it means it is
It's
not
not good for
the
them
employees.
also, yeah.
So we have a separate insurance cover for them, for their family.
Mediclaim insurance.
Yes, all those
Okay.
we have.
And one more important question, sir. Like actually, our India, or for that matter, the whole world has got hit with the economical crisis. That is the recession period. So I heard that there were a lot of problem in the exporting side because of the high duty and all those things. So exporting was not happening properly
That's right.
in the same pace like as it was before.
Yes.
So how did the recession affected your business, or do you had any impact of recession in your business?
Yes, I would say we are having recession. I mean, I wouldn't term it as a recession.
Okay.
In India, basically, it is a slowdown actually,
Okay.
because of the effects in US and Europe. It is basically a slowdown. I wouldn't say India is in a recession.
Because yours is a global market
Yeah,
actually,
that's
because you are not dependent on only
It
on
is on a global market, but when you see India as such, the domestic market is a huge one.
Yeah.
So anything happens, a lot of transaction, business transaction, commercial transaction happens within the country.
Okay.
Production, sales, and all those things.
Okay.
So, but small portion is export oriented. So if you have a fine study of who has been hit by the slowdown, it is all someone who is related with the export-import trade, that is a
Okay.
foreign trade.
Foreign trade, yeah.
Anyone concerned in that down that line, the logistics supply chain,
Yeah,
including us, CHAs, and then the transporters and all those people have had a small impact on them.
Alright.
It depends on like some people have taken the hit very hard actually. Some they have managed to manage it and take it forward.